This recipe is on how to cook cow food. If you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you are an ardent viewer of this food vlog, thank you so much for your support. Now, let me show you the ingredients that I'll be using. Some of the ingredients, by the way. I'll be using some garlic, ginger, and onions. And I'll start by peeling off the skin of the garlic, ginger, and onions. After peeling off the skin, I'll set them aside and then clean them properly in water. Yorubas enjoy eating cow food, especially when it is deliciously seasoned. So, in Yoruba language or in Yoruba land, cow food is called Bokoto. Let me tell you one of the reasons why you should try including cow food in your soups and dishes. Cow food is good for the skin, yes. It contains bone marrow, which is rich in protein and antioxidants. It also supports the digestive system. That's not all. It strengthens the bone and joints, and it is an excellently wonderful source of calcium. Now that I'm done with peeling the skin of my garlic, ginger, and onions, I'll proceed to clean in water. After cleaning, I'll blend with some water in my blender. So while I blend my garlic, ginger, and onions, like I said, don't forget that I have some other ingredients that I will show you as this video continues. I'd like to tell you that cow food also boosts your immune system. This is what the blended mixture looks like. Now it's time to cook my cow food. I'll put my cow food into my pot. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I'll pour the blended onion mixture into the pot of cow food, and then I'll proceed to add some salt. Salt is very necessary to give your food taste, but that's not all. I'll add some seasoning. I'll also add dry thyme and curry powder. Now, there's this one ingredient that is very optional, but if you are an ardent viewer of this channel, you know that I like this thing so much. Anyway, let me adjust my pot first, and then I'll show you scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper really gives your food this lovely taste, and it is not too spicy for this recipe. Anyway, I'll cook for 40 minutes. Now, after the first 20 minutes, this is what my cow food looks like. You would notice that the meat is already shrinking away from the bones, but it's not well cooked yet. I will still cook it for another 20 minutes on medium heat. Yes, so after 20 minutes again, this is what my cow food looks like. You would notice that the cow food looks so soft here. How I wish I could share some with you so you can taste it. It looks delicious. It looks yummy. And cow food is ready to be enjoyed. Just like that. Add this to your stew, your soups. You can even put it close to your rice just to munch a little bit. Good life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like I'll always say, good food should be enjoyed always. And don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe. Bye.